don't do this, please. Look, mom will be having some work in her office, so she got late. She will come.
Mom!
I have made a surprise for you. Do you know that?
I want
Look,
my mom.
look. Hey.
Mom! I want my mom
Pari,
right
don't
now.
do this. Don't be stubborn. You please don't go anywhere alone like this. Don't go.
want to
Don't go to
go.
the palace so far away,
I
dear.
want to go to my mom.
If you're not here, then we cannot spend our day nicely.
Sir, come. Sir, that home. Sir, that old man has locked my son in her
My
room.
daughter is inside. That old man has locked himself inside with my daughter.
What's the matter anyway?
We had gone to the market. This old man took my daughter away along with him. He was calling her Pari all the time.
Where's he?
Come, I will show you. Come with me. Come here. He has locked her here inside.
Hey, open the door.
This ma'am's husband has kidnapped my daughter. Oh, he has not kidnapped her. He has mental issues. He feels that girl is our granddaughter. He thinks that she is Pari. So he will kidnap other children like this.
Open the door.
Hey, you please wait. What are you doing? Look, he has not done anything. I'm telling you, right? I'll explain to him.
You move aside. We'll take care of this.
I'm speaking the truth.
Someone take her aside.
Aunt,
But,
you come to the side.
Oh, but please.
Let them do their work. You sit here.
Open the door, old man. Open the door.
I won't open that door at all. You will take our Pari. She is our Pari. I won't open that
Open
door.
the door or we'll break it down.
I told you that I won't open it. Don't you understand?
Aunt, we will have to break the door.
Listen, no. Wait a moment. Wait a minute. No, don't break the door. I will explain to him, okay? Listen.
Aunt, you come here.
My goodness. My goodness. Oh, God, what will I do?
Break it.
Don't cry, girl. Your mom will come. She told you that. I
she is.
won't leave her.
Leave my
No, I
child.
won't leave her. I
Leave
won't
her.
leave my Pari.
Let her be.
No,
Don't
she
do
is our
this.
Pari. No. I will
Leave
not
her.
leave her.
Let her go, please.
Eh,
But she's
what are
my
you doing?
daughter.
She's on the
Please,
station.
my
Our Pari.
daughter. It's her girl. You have to
No,
leave
please
her.
don't take her.
You
Pari.
take her out. Come to the station. I'll teach you a lesson.
What are you doing? Don't take
What
me.
are you doing?
I will not go.
I will explain to him.
We cannot keep him here. He can do anything. He's not even listening to the police.
Don't speak like that. If I tell him that, he will surely listen to me.
He kidnapped a
telling you
girl.
the truth.
You come to the police station. Follow all the legal procedures and get him released. Also, admit him to a nice hospital too. Come. Come.
don't take him.
Come.
Don't take me. What is this?
Is Uncle Bundu not feeling well?
It's not like that.
Then why did Mom leave in a hurry to meet him?
Hey, the thing is that Mom has some work with Uncle Bandhu, so she left. But she will come fast. She said that.
Why she didn't take me? I also wanted to meet him. Call Mom. I will tell Mom to take me along with her.
She was going to take you along. But then I told her that I have not met Pari since she has come. So let Pari stay with me, please. Mom said okay. You will wait with Aunt Mithila, right?
You're not Aunt Mithila, you are Grandma Mithila.
What? Grandma? Oh my, really? I'm a grandma? Even grandma sounds so sweet to hear, just like Mom. Dear, call me grandma again.
Grandma Mithila.
Very nice. Now tell me, which game should we play?
We will play later. First I have to cook.
Cook? Hey, are you hungry? Shall I cook something and bring for you?
No, I don't want it, but my baby is hungry.
What?
And she wants the food cooked by me.
Is it?
I will make the preparations first for my chocolate will start fry.
Okay. All right. Shall I help you a bit?
No, Grandma, you just take care of chakli for a while. Till then, I will put the rice and pulses in the cooker. Grandpa, I am making tea. You also come?
I don't want tea.
You will feel fresh. Come. Come on in. Come in. Sit next to Grandma. Come. Sit next to Grandma. Sit. Chakuli, look who is here to meet you. Grandpa is here. Ask Grandpa how he is. Do you still feel trouble walking? Grandma, are you still sick? Tell Grandpa that if he drinks tea made by me, then he will feel better. Wait, I will get tea. What is this? What is this? It is medicine. Is it time for your medicine?
Yes.
Grandpa, is your medicine very bitter? Do you have to take it every day? I also take an injection every day.
Why, dear?
What? Which injection?
I have diabetes, that's why. But I don't cry at all while taking an injection. I am a strong girl, but mom always cries. She is a mother, right?
Yes, dear.
She feels bad. Shall I say something? Grandpa, your medicine smells very bad. Taking this medicine would be causing you a lot of discomfort, right? That's why you should get better fast.
Even you feel that Grandpa should get well soon? I also feel that. That he should not take this medicine which smells bad. Rather, he can have tea like the one you are making. I will make ginger tea just like that. I will make him what he wants. He should just leave this medicine which smells bad. Come, let's give him the ginger tea which you have made.
Yes.
Come. Wait.
Hey, you think you are too smart, huh? Come.
Hey, why did you bring me here? What has actually happened? I am an engineer.
Hey, where is he? Look at him. He was stealing kids. Him? Look at his age. What is he doing? Hey. Since when are you doing all these things? Does it suit your age?
Eh? What are you talking about? Which things? What did I do?
Hey, are you acting smart? Yes?
Huh?
Sir, his wife was saying that he has some mental issues. What is it? Who knows? He may be mentally unstable. He has been saying what to repair since he's here.
I am asking that because I am an engineer.
Now look, the thing is that everyone says this once they get caught.
I am really an engineer.
Hey, quiet. After doing all that, you're acting smart, yes?
Hey, I am speaking the truth that I am an engineer. If needed, ask my wife.
Where did you study engineering from? In job? Or in business?
I was there on work and.
Keep quiet. Do you think that I'm a fool, huh? No, do you think that you have become a good man just because you've worn good clothes? Sir, nowadays thieves are always on the lookout. Now look at him. I'm respecting his age and questioning him properly. But this man is beating around the bus. Looking at his age, if I give him 2 tight slaps, then he'll start dancing here. Do one thing. Heat some water. Let's give this engineer a hot water bath today. So his memory will start running.
No, but what did I do? And why are you behaving like this with me?
Hey, aren't you ashamed of kidnapping kids? Once he suffers some burns, then he'll not kidnap others' kids. Go, heat the water.
But I have really not done anything. I just brought our Pari, our dear grandchild, sweet Pari. I brought her home. She was alone on the road. Should I have left her alone? What if she would have got lost again? I really didn't do anything. I'm an engineer.
What happened?
Look what has happened. I'm really stressed, Yash.
Relax.
Will anything happen to Uncle?
No, I spoke to the cops. I don't think anything will
I
happen.
was telling you that time too that we should not take Pari to the palace. Uncle and aunt have got so used to Pari. She is always with them. She is with them and they love her very much. Now suddenly she is not with them, so he would have got disturbed. And along with increasing age, he has become more forgetful. He has become very naive too. I'm very tensed, Yash. He is not doing it purposely, but if something happens by mistake, then aunt is also so worried, Yash.
Okay, let's do one thing. First, let's go and meet Uncle Bantu. Let's ask him what happened and then
Yes.
take a call. Okay?
Okay.
Take some water.
Uncle Bantu said.
Neha,
Hey, sir, you were here?
Hello, sir. I'm Yashwardhan.
Sir, I know you very well.
I really didn't do anything. Our Pari.
Yes, uncle. You didn't do anything. We all know it. You don't worry. We are here, right?
Sir, the thing is that we have to follow the procedure. We get such cases in every 10 days. Also, innocent and naive-looking people are used to doing such sinister deeds. That's why we were a bit mistaken, sir. And he was also saying something strange. I mean, he was blabbering something different, so we...
No. It's okay. I completely understand. It's your work.
Sir, I will complete all the formalities. You don't worry.
I'm here, Ole.
Okay, get a chair.
Thank you.
I really didn't do anything. I really felt that she's our Pari. She was roaming alone in the market. How could I leave her alone? So I brought her home. What if she gets lost again? That's why I really didn't do anything. No.
You sit down. Sit down, Uncle Bantu. Sit down. Uncle Bantu, I know that you love Pari too much. And all of this happened due to that love.
Yes, it's true. Our Pari, our sweet Pari, she was roaming alone, so I brought her home. But she turned out to be someone else. These guys were asking me about some gang and other things. How do I know? I'm an engineer and I'm not related with all of this.
Uncle, look, even I know it. And even the cops know everything. Okay? You don't have to tell anything to anyone now. Come. We're here to take you.
To take me?
Yes.
Really? But did you tell them that I'm not a thief? You had to come to the police station due to me. I'm really feeling ashamed of myself. Don't vent out this anger on my daughter, please. She's a very talented girl. Don't leave her, please. No.
Uncle, what are you saying? You please don't think anything like that. Please, Uncle. But I'm not here due to you, but I'm here for you. My Pari is lucky that she has her Uncle Bandu who loves her immensely. Uncle, you love Pari so much that you became impatient due to her memory. You considered a small girl as Pari and brought her home out of concern. You made a mistake, Uncle, but this is not a crime. How can I ever get angry on Pari's Bandu, Uncle, who loves her so immensely? And I will never get angry on Neha for the same. You please don't worry at all. So, Uncle, now we leave from here. And once we leave from here, you should forget all that happened here. Don't keep anything in your heart. Come, let's go.
Sir, I've completed all the formalities.
Do I have to sign somewhere?
No, sir, I'll do that.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Aunt, are you coming to our house?
No, I won't be able to sit in peace till he comes back home. He makes mistakes, and I'm the one who has to take all the stress at this age. What has happened? Oh my
Calm
goodness.
down, Aunt.
But how do I calm down? Goody, just call Neha once.
Look there! Neha is here, and even Uncle Bandhu too.
Hello, Uncle Bandhu. How are you? Did the police trouble you? Are you okay?
What have you done to yourself? Satisfied? Are you satisfied now? What was the need to bring others' daughter along with you? Neha was troubled so much due to this. She had to take so much trouble. Also, she had to go to the police station on top of that.
Aunt, please don't say that. It's not like that. And Uncle is too stressed due to whatever has happened. He didn't do it on purpose. We all know it. It happened by mistake.
Yes, dear. It happened by mistake only. But everyone was so stressed out due to that.